Welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this video, we will learn how we can calculate the number of days between two dates. For this purpose, we have this data in which we have different projects and we have the start date and the end date, and we want to calculate the total number of days as well as the working days and days in terms of years, months and days. How we can do this? Let's learn.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
For this purpose, here in this first cell, if we need to calculate the total number of days, the first and the most easiest method is the use of subtraction. For this purpose, I'll write equal and first I'll select the end date and write minus, and then I'll select the start date. And after this, I just need to hit enter. So this has calculated the total number of days between two dates. Similarly, I can also use the days function. For this purpose, here in this cell, I'll write equal days, and I need to first select the end date, comma, the start date. After this, I'll close the parentheses and hit enter. So we can use either method to calculate the days between two dates. To calculate total days for rest of the projects, I'll just bring my cursor to the bottom right corner and double click it. Similarly, if we want to calculate the working days between these two dates, then I will apply the NETWORKDAYS function. So here in this cell, I'll write equal NETWORKDAYS. I'll select the start date, comma, end date. I'll not specify any holidays. I only wanted to exclude the weekends, so I'll close the parentheses and hit enter. I'll use the same method of bringing the cursor to the bottom right corner and double clicking to calculate it for rest of the projects. Now if I want to calculate the years, months and days, so for this purpose, I need to apply the DATEDIF function. So here in this cell, I'll write equal DATEDIF, and first I need to select the start date, comma, end date, again comma, and now I need to specify the code for the year, and the code for the year is Y. So I'll write Y in inverted commas, close the parentheses and hit enter. So the years between these two dates are calculated. Now for month, again I'll apply the same function. I'll select the start date, end date, and this time the code for the month will be YM. Close the parentheses and hit enter. And for days, I'll write equal DATEDIF, open parentheses, select the start date, comma, end date, comma, and that code will be MD. Close parentheses and hit enter. So there are 2 years, 1 month and 11 days between these two dates for the project A. For calculating the years, months and days for rest of the project, I'll apply the same formula. So that's it. We can easily calculate the total number of days, working days, and days in terms of years, months, and days. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Got questions or want to see more Excel tricks? Drop a comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.